Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Services now. This is faster than waiting. Once Services is open, locate the Windows Update service and note its status and startup type so you can revert later. Next, open Settings and go to Update and Security. Use Pause Updates if the option exists. This prevents immediate restarts. Do these first because they stop the automatic flow while you prepare to fully cancel the pending restart. With the service paused, stop the Windows Update service. Set Startup to Manual or Disabled so it won't restart on its own. Once stopped, clear the pending download folder at C/Windows/software distribution /download to remove queued packages that trigger restarts. Then open Task Scheduler and disable update-related tasks. This ensures scheduled triggers won't restart the process. Make sure to do these steps and you're almost done. Check Windows Update in Settings to confirm no pending restart is listed. If clear, reboot only when you choose. When you want updates again, reset Windows Update service to automatic and start it so normal updates resume. If a restart still triggers unexpectedly, run system checks. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. These repair corruption that can force restarts, and they often resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.